Tonight, health officials are advising Americans not to gather in large groups for Super Bowl parties. More than 26 million COVID cases have been confirmed in the U.S., and more than 458,000 Americans have died. CBS's Jamie Yuccas reports from the Super Bowl in Tampa.
With just 2 days to go until the big game, big worries tonight. The Super Bowl could turn into a super spreader event.
Every fan will have nobody seated in front of them, nobody behind them, as well as wipes and hand sanitizer in restrooms, which not only have physical distancing, but touchless. It's the first ever cashless Super Bowl.
Tampa Bay is not only hosting the game, its team is playing, which may add to the frenzy.
Can the city handle this?
We can handle it. It's imperative that everyone understands the level of personal responsibility and that they have to wear masks.
Super Bowl parties worry Dr. Ashish Jha.
But I think it's really important that we don't have these large indoor gatherings.
You also have people who are screaming and yelling at the television.
The virus spreads a lot more efficiently when people speak loudly, and that's going to unfortunately make things worse.
In an effort to try to get us back to normal, the White House announced a major ramp up today. 1,000 active duty military personnel will be deployed as early as next week to help FEMA administer vaccines. And the Defense Production Act will be used to manufacture 61 million at-home test kits by the end of summer and make more than 1 billion surgical gloves per month by year's end. None are currently made in the U.S., plus additional resources to make more of the Pfizer vaccine.
To include filling pumps and tangential flow filtration skid units, critical components Pfizer needs to manufacture the COVID vaccine.
In addition, the CDC said today they're going to release new guidelines next week for safely reopening schools.
Tonight, we're learning the variant first detected in South Africa has now been found in Virginia. 3 U.S. states now reporting cases. There's a new study about the AstraZeneca vaccine found to be nearly 75% effective against the more contagious variant first detected in the U.K. It's opening day at Yankee Stadium for vaccinations in one of the city's hardest hit boroughs.
The Bronx has one of the highest positivity rates in New York City.
And the Puppy Bowl is set to kick off with a public service announcement from the first dogs.
Please keep wearing your mask.
Today, the NFL announced it will offer up all 32 football stadiums as vaccination sites. Now, you may hear behind me, the parties have started in downtown Tampa. Anyone not wearing a mask can be fined up to $500. And on Sunday, fans will receive these KN95 masks as they walk into Raymond James Stadium. Nora?
Jamie Yuccas there in Tampa. Thank you, Jamie.